To take a closer look at starting your vehicle, we'll be using a 3 Series sedan. If you press the start button without touching any pedals, you will activate the ignition, but the engine will not start. In other words, all the electrical systems in the car, including power seats, power windows, and audio controls will be active, but the engine won't be running. To start the engine in a car with a manual transmission, make sure you're in neutral, then press both the brake and clutch pedal and press the start button. With an automatic transmission, press the brake and then hit the start button. A growing number of BMW models now have the Comfort Go feature. If your vehicle is equipped with this feature, once you get into the car, you can place the key in a pocket, purse, briefcase, or one of the storage trays in the center console. As long as the key remains in close proximity to the steering column, you can activate the vehicle by simply pressing the start-stop button.